this, okay, that's not the sun. That's just a freaking street light. But what I'm trying to video is these beams of light. I mean, I can't believe how freaking bright that looks. It looks like the damn sun. It's just a street light. The sun's already gone down, but you see the beams. They look really light to the naked eye. On the phone, they look really pink. Celestial body, as Matthew likes to call them. Let's see. But yeah, and my freaking iPhone or telescopes. I can't believe. Look at that. Okay, here you go, guys. This is the. Here is the fake sun, as you can tell. That is a glob of lamps in the Sears parking lot. Yep, that's what they're using. Just a bigger wad. Anyway, so I totally screwed us up. But anyway, you can see the beams of light, streaks, whatever. You know, that stuff that's always been there forever and ever.